Genius G with another dope unboxing today. Today I got more heat. Here I have the Nike SACAI Mid Blazer in the blue colorway. And this sneaker is one of 4 sneakers that were dropped on May 30th for the retail price of $140. So Nike and Japanese high-end label SACAI collaborated on a special edition silhouette where they fused 2 iconic sneakers, the Nike Dunk and the Nike Blazer. And this sneaker features double tongues, double shoelaces, double swooshes. And I'm sure you've seen the waffle, the Nike SACAI waffle out there. And if you haven't, I do have a video up for it. And so you know what to expect, man. Attention to detail and great quality materials. So let's go ahead and check this sneaker out. So these sneakers come in an orange box, Nike, the swoosh, and a glossy print printed on the box. On this side of the box, you have a white Nike swoosh printed on the box. Now when you open the box, you have this white tissue paper with the Nike and SACAI printed on the tissue paper. And here we have the Nike SACAI Mid Blazer. Starting out with the upper of the sneaker, the first thing that catches your eyes, of course, are these Nike swooshes here. You have a white one, a blue one made out of leather, and this white one is from a Blazer, and this one here is from the Nike SB Dunk. And the reason I'm saying it's from a SB Dunk is because they're usually longer, lower. Also, the eye stay here is from a SB Dunk, and right under that you have another eye stay, which is you could barely see it there, but it's from the Blazer. The base here is black and it's from the Blazer. The midsole's white, and here we see these overlays wrapping onto the upper made out of rubber. Moving on to the front of the sneaker, you see the toe box here is white, made out of leather. See this midsole wrapping onto the toe box, these overlays wrapping onto the toe box. And then we have these shoelaces, double shoelaces, which are freaking cool, man. You have them black and white. We talked about the eye stays already. Here we have the double tongues, Nike swoosh, and then you see this exposed foam, double exposed foam. So that's a freaking cool feature, man. Nike swoosh, SACAI co-branded here. The insole is black, the lining's white, made out of leather, well padded, and we have another co-branded Nike SACAI. The inner panel of the sneaker is exactly like the outer panel of the sneaker, nothing new. Now the back of the sneaker, we have a lot of craziness going on. All these overlays wrapping onto the heel. Then we have this double co-branded Nike SACAI. And the outer sole is a gum color. So guys, we went over the Nike SACAI Mid Blazer in the black and blue colorway, and this sneaker is freaking lit, man. The attention to detail, the materials they use, the double swooshes, exposed foam, double shoelaces, man. Just everything about this sneaker is freaking sick, man. And I'm just not saying it just to say it, man. I am a little biased because the Dunk and the Blazer are in my top 5 sneakers of all time, man. I've been rocking those sneakers for a minute. So I love these sneakers, man. Everybody was going for the waffles, you know, the SACAI waffles, but I was going for these, and I'm so happy I got these, man. Let me know which ones you like more, the waffles or the Blazers, and why. And, you know, just leave that in the comment section below. So guys, thanks again for watching. Please like, subscribe, be on the lookout for more heat, because I do have more heat. Thank you, and peace.